Hey guys, welcome to Let's Learn Pro. Today I gonna show you how to create to-do list. So everyone uses to-do list in their mobile phones. So this is just a basic project and it is created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. So now I will show you my code. So this is just a simple code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I will upload this code on GitHub so that you can download or you can modify it. So basically, what I have done is like just style.css I have here linked, and then JavaScript I have linked here, and then just this is header, and on click it is calling add task. Okay, and this is just list. This is having id, so it will just if we click on add task, so it will just add in the list. So and style.css I will show you. So this is just styling, and you can give any color or you can modify the height, weight, font weight. You can modify the list and everything here. And now if you see script.js, so what it does is it is having one local storage, and then we are just like adding in these tasks. So whatever task is getting added, so it will just get added in the local storage. So render task, so for each task, like what we are doing is we are just creating a list and a span, and um, if task is completed, it will show the completed, and it will just the delete button will delete it, and similarly like on click, so it will just delete task. Okay, and if you see add task, so add task will just push the task, it will just add the string as a list. Okay, and delete task is just removing from the list. Okay, so this is just simple one, and yeah, so you can download it, you can modify it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.